Hey guys, it's me Jake, and I'm in another video. Are you guys? With Coco Cookie and Lola Spatter plays.
It's Coco Cookie plays.
Coco Cookie plays and Lola Spatter plays. So I'm gonna link their YouTube channels in my description. So freaking subscribe. Freaking go. But for now, today we're gonna be playing Hole in the Wall. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in Hole in the Wall. And as you can hear, Lola Spatter and Coco plays. So you guys can hear them. Say hi, guys.
Go check out Coco Cookie Plays YouTube channel. Yes.
Bridget, do you want to sponsor your channel?
I already did.
Okay, well. So this is Bridget over here. Or as I could call it, Lola Spatter Plays. And then this is Coco Cookie Plays. Hey! What about me? I spelled about wrong. I'm
gonna get
stupid.
banned. I'm gonna get banned. I just said yes.
Bridget, you're up.
What do you mean, what about you?
Bridget, are you recording?
Yeah.
Go see her part. Stage 2, team rounds. Oh, frick. Wait, whose team am I on?
On ours.
Oh, let's go.
Oh yeah, that's the dude. That's like, yes, I want to know your channel names.
What the heck? I'm freaking.
Come in.
What?
Thank you. Dude, they said that he subscribed.
I what? What do I have, Chloe? Did you freaking sub to him? I was about to, if I say, did you sub to me? And he says yes, well then he's freaking lying because, first of all, I never told him my channel name, so. Let me ask. Also guys, go subscribe to Coco Plays and Lola Spatter Plays because, oh shoot, I'm up. But because if you guys get them to 10 subscribers, we will be doing a group channel. And I don't know what to do! What was I supposed to do there? Hold up, guys. I'll be right back. Entertain them.
I'm gonna just do that, you know, push the pink one in the water.
I'm back! And you're not. Well, maybe.
No!
Let me guess, Bridget just got oofed.
We'll learn how to play with these balls, and we push them into the water. Well, you're not in the same team with me, Jake, and I so too. Hey, I forgot it. Stop our video now, so it doesn't take so long to upload.
Bridget, oh, you survived? On my screen, it just looked like a total delay, but.
Yeah. Okay. Hey, when do you want to stop our video?
I'm stopping in like 10 minutes. we can see this guy's a true fan. This is going to be the title of the video. Making sure if he's a true fan. Okay, I can already know. Oh, Chloe's is easy. That's not acceptable.
Okay, I'm gonna edit this.
Wait, Bridget, you're already done?
Yeah, because I just do the same thing over and over. I'm like,
Okay, oh, okay. Of course I was on the wrong edge. Of course.
After my video, I'm gonna have my gotcha character saying subscribe if you haven't. And
My outro is like really cool. So if you haven't freaking subscribed, what are you doing? Go subscribe right now, or else you're dead. No, guys, if you freaking subscribe right now, you will get free chicken nuggets.
Bridgie, are you gonna
Me, Chloe, and Bridget will deliver them. No promises, but we will, for sure.
What? Are you gonna
No promises, but we will, for sure. Makes sense.
I don't know what you're saying.
Okay, while so you know boring, we're gonna be doing
Say I didn't film that the whole time.
We're gonna be doing this so I don't bore you guys with. Oh, wait. Oh, never mind. That was not what I was thinking it was. What team am I on? I'm on Bridget's. Okay. I like doing that. I don't know why. Do you guys think I should make more Fortnite videos? Like, if you want more Fortnite videos. I've only posted 4, I think, so far, so.
I need a jumping.
Okay, let's dive. Okay, 2. Let's reggae go. Okay, let's go. Let's do it. We did it. Cool.
Is it push notifications or post?
Push. It's post. Oh my, Miranda! What is up?
You know, this dude's just having the best day of his life. I gave him a sub back. And he's my friend on Roblox. He's just having the best day of his life. I know. Hey!
I want to check my YouTube.
Whenever you try to talk to him, he leaves.
Okay, I'm going to show you guys. Here's an example of Bridget's video. See that 3 subscribers? Get her to freaking 10. Now we're going to look at Coco's. Okay, Chloe has 13 subscribers. Oh, so once Bridget gets 10 subscribers, we will. Here's Chloe's.
Oh, Jake, you're up.
Oh, okay, well, gotta play, so. Okay, what do? We're just gonna go with dive! I made it. Let's see.
Okay. So, what I'm gonna do
Okay. Okay, bet. Okay, guys, I think we're going to end the video there. Make sure to subscribe to Lola Spatter Plays and Coco Cookie Plays. If you do, you'll deserve a cookie from Coco. Right, Chloe?
Sure.
and you'll get a dog from Lola's Feather. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash this like button. Please make sure to drop a sub. I know I'm not the best quality YouTuber at the moment, but I will try my very hard to be. So